Hope you all are doing
Sarap
well.
parahin na Amerikano.
I am Behek and I am your host for this evening. So without further delay, I would like you all to meet the stars of the day, Honda Highness and Honda 300F. You can also have a test drive. We have also arranged a quiz competition for you all. You can come and participate and win amazing gifts from Honda. Thank you.
Muchas gracias.